Welcome to WizardMoto. Today we will be going over how to replace the handlebars on a 2013 Kawasaki Ninja 300. Begin by removing the control cluster with a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. There will be 2 screws holding it on. Then move on to the clutch lever mount using a 10mm socket to remove that. The bolts holding the clutch mount in place are very different, but just make a mental note of which one goes where to make reassembly easier. Next, remove the clutch lever. Be sure that you have fully slackened the cable at both the top and bottom adjusters just to make your life a little bit easier. That barrel nut on the end of the clutch cable can be a pain sometimes. However, once you take a look at it, it's generally fairly intuitive to remove. If you intend to replace your old grips while replacing your handlebars, there's a few tricks to removing them. Some folks recommend compressed air. We opted for a graphite lubricant, pulling really hard, which worked out fairly well. If you do not intend to reuse your grips, just slice them off with a razor and skip this step entirely. Remove the control cluster and clutch perch from the handlebar before proceeding. Next, use a 5mm hex wrench to remove the 4 machine screws that hold the handlebar in place. Comparing the two, it is apparent that this bike took a spill at some point. Now we will simply perform that entire process in reverse. Make sure to hand thread your bolts before you get after them with any amount of torque. Other than that, it's pretty easy. You got this. Reassembling the clutch is generally the most time-consuming and challenging part of this process. However, if you adjust your slack all the way out at the bottom and top adjusters, you will struggle slightly less than we did here. Once your cable is in place and tightened up again, go ahead and adjust the levers to your preference and enjoy your new handlebars. Thank you for watching this WizardMoto presentation. Feel free to subscribe for more educational and entertaining motorcycling content. Ride safe, y'all.